going to unbox 20 cubes. So let's show it to you. It's not getting up, so I'll tilt my screen. There are no cubes yet. They are going to come tomorrow. So let's meet you all tomorrow. So here are my cubes. So let's unbox it.
A few moments later.
So I am opening this package. First there is foam. So after that, let's start with the unboxing. This is the cube mat. So this is our mat. This is fully made of rubber. So after we throw the cube is not damaged. After this is our YJ timer, not the pocket timer. Let's open this one. This is our timer. So let's open it. So let's move on to the cubes now. So now I have got 2 cube stands. This is the Master Morofix. Let's turn it. It is very nice and smooth. I think it is lubed. And this one. It is the Pyraminx. So let's turn it. It's very smooth. I think this is the clock. And after that, this is the twisty 3x3. This is YJ MGC 6x6 magnetic. This is YJ MGC 7x7 magnetic. And this is 8x8. And this is the mirror cube. And this is the Master Pyraminx. This is the 9x9. And I think so this is square one. And this is the 3x3 magnetic. And this is the 4x4 magnetic. And this is the Megamix. And this is the Squib. And this is the 5x5 magnetic. So let's unpack all of them. So this is the Pyraminx. This is very smooth. And this is the master Morofix. And after this is the master Pyramix. This is the 3-layered and this is the 4-layered. You can see this is not that much smooth as the Pyramix, but it is smooth. So let's move on to this. I think this is the clock. This is our clock. See, so this dials are moving. So let's move on to this one. This is the twisty 3x3 Rubik's Cube. If you see it from here, this is as a normal 3x3, but if you see it from here, it is twisted. So after that, I got 2 stands, the YJ timer and the cube mat. So this is our 2x2, just packed very nicely. It is very tight, so let's keep it aside. So now let's open the 4x4. So this is our 4x4. I bought it from the same company last time, but last time I bought it non-magnetic. Now it is a magnetic one, and I cannot feel the magnets because they are, yes, I am feeling it. So let's open this one now. Let's see what is this. This is the 8x8. Let's put them aside. This is our 8x8. So let's start with this one. This is the 9x9. Let's count the layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 9x9 only. It was not written on the box. So this is the R5x5, if I am not wrong. So first we get this accessories box. In this there is a screwdriver, and it is a card of Moyu, and there is also a stand of Moyu. So here is our 5x5. So let's keep it aside. So the next thing is our 6x6. 2x2 and 6x6 are packed very nicely. Here is a pamphlet how to solve a 6x6, and these are some extra springs, and I don't know what it is. I think it is a screwdriver, and there are these more springs and some extra magnets. So let's see our cube. So this is very strong. The magnets are nice. Let's check the corner cutting. corner cutting is not there. So let's see if there is stand. No, there is no stand. So let's keep it aside. Now I am having 2 screwdrivers. So let's keep it aside. Now here is our 7x7. So the packing is same because it is of same company. I think the accessory box will also be the same. Yes, 2 same screwdrivers, 4 extra springs, 2 extra magnets, and this is our 7x7. Here is our 7x7. Yes, I can feel the magnets. They are not that strong. They are strong in this, the 3rd and 4th layer. So let's move on to the next one. In this accessory box there is also a pamphlet how to solve 7x7, and it is a stand is there. You can make it yourself. So I will make the stand later. Let's keep it aside. Now I wonder which cube it is. This is the square. You can see. I think this is also magnetic or not. So here is the square one. This is our square one. 1, 2, slice, full slice. Yes, it is very smooth. I think it is looped. So the next one and the 3rd last is our Megamix. I think the Megamix is big. So let's try a few things. It is nice, but it is very big. So let's keep it aside also. And this is our 3x3. It is of Moyu. It is Moyu RS3 2020 version. It is the best budget cube of 2020. So let's see the accessory box first. The nuts, 1 more screwdriver. Now I am having 4 screwdrivers, and C-fob guide and how to solve it. We know how to solve it, so let's keep it aside. There is how to use these spring, and here is a stand of Moyu. I don't know how it opens. And here is our 3x3 magnetic. So the magnets are strong. So let's do this. Let's do a Z pump. This is a Z pump. So let's keep it here. And here is our last one. And it is a mirror cube. So here is our mirror cube. You can see it. It is very tight. I think it is not looped. these are all of my cubes: pyramids, master morphic, square one, clock, twisty 3x3, 4 screwdrivers, and 4 stands. 3 stands are here and 1 is under 5x5. And these are all of the square cubes. Now I am not counting the layers. This is a 5x5, 3x3, and this is the mirror cube. And this is our accessory box for magnets and springs. These are some strange nuts. And this is our timer. There are no batteries in it. I will put it later on. And this is our Cubelelo mat. So thanks for watching, and please like the video.